Hi guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for channel Fitmotech, and in today's video we are going to unbox a different product, but it also comes into tech. So this is the product guys. So this is the Philips One Blade. Let's see what they have explained in this box. They have given 45 minutes of run time, and they have given the branding over in the front. And here they have given durable one blade, last up to 4 months, and they have also given 3 click-on trimming combos. So they have given 3 different types of combos for trimming purpose. So like this adapters for trimming purpose. So this is the back side of this box guys. So here they have given it what are the purposes they are using it for. They are using it for styling, trimming and shaving. So this is the blade structure and what is the inbuilt mechanism which you can find it for doing this shaving. So here I need to show you the retail price of this. It is 2199 rupees, but in Amazon they have given some offers. So to check that, I have given the link in the description box below. Let's open this box. They have given a small box over here, so I'll just first pop out this. Let's see what's in this. They have given a charging brick for charging this device. So this is what they have given. So this is a small guide which they have given it, what not to do and what to do and how to do. They have given the trimming adapters. So they have mentioned it in the instruction manual. So you can just find there are 3 sizes: 1mm, 3mm and 5mm. According to your beard size, you can just change it out. And this is the blade guys. They have given arrow mark over here. The important thing is that what are the do's and don'ts. You need to refer this paper. It's more important, this paper is. And you also get a 4-month offer after you use the device for 4 months. You will just get a replacement offer for this blade. So it's a 50% after which they give it in the pack itself. So they have just given a sign up for 50% for the first one blade replacement, so that with the usage of the usage indicator, this blade will make its center part as green. So that at that point you need to change this blade. So here they have given a green bar will gradually appear on the blade as you use it. When it's highly visible, it is recommended to replace your blade. So this the second one which you are going to replace can have a 50% off if you sign up. They have given the details over here. Here is the details, the website details. So they are also giving an offer, and they're saying you the tips to shave and trim your beard, so that it's easy for you to follow it, and you will get a clean shave out of it without any disappointment from this device. Let's see virtually what they are given to us. So this is the main device guys. So this device has a power button over here, and they have a Philips branding over here, and they have a pop-up for this one blade. They have given a pop-up switch. So I'll just control the pop-up guys, so it will fly off. So if you just pull up, the blade will automatically come out. So sometimes the blade will fly off, so have a control on popping up the blade. You just need to click it again. Like this you need to pop in. So it's straight from the package. So let's see that this device works from the box itself or not. Wow, this device works guys. So this is the place where the magic happens. After switching it on, the movement takes place. So in back of this device they have given the Philips branding over here, and here they have given the specifications of the input power supply and the output power supply from this power outlet, and underneath that they have rated it as IPX7. This indicates that they have no certification for dust resistance for the particles to enter into it, but they have given it's a water resistant device. It's not IPX8, it's IPX7. You should not put it deep inside the water. You can just use it at shallow water conditions. It gives a good grip on your hands. It doesn't slip away. So you can just have your pointing finger over here and two sets of fingers like this. So that's easy for shaving your beard. And at different positions it's good, guys. You can also turn the device and do a straight shave, and you can just use it on a slanting shave position, so it's more flexible and utility based device. Here they have given that you need to charge for 8 hours to get a full battery, and you cannot plug and use this device. You need to remove the plug and after that only shave this. And you should also need to cover the blade with the cover which they have given it to you. They have given a charging port over here, and plugging out this will give you 45 minutes of battery life. They have given lots of things, like they have given a cap. We'll see how to use it. So just keep it inside and press. So it's inside. Your one blade is being saved from dust and everything. So you can just save it in your bag, or you can take it anywhere where you want. So now I will just show you how to use the trimming adapters. Just place the bottom side inside first and click it. That's all. It has been installed now. Because you are spending 1,900 rupees, where you can just buy about 30 normal shaving blades. So it's that much worthy. So each and every one blade cost and the device cost will be present in the description box below as a link. If you want to purchase it now itself, I think that by looks this device is so small and portable, and it is a travel friendly device, so that it will be my travel companion always. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comment on below. And this is your channel host Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion.